In front of me is Motorola S50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access gestures. Then tap on one-handed mode, and if you are using gestures navigation, use this switcher to activate it. Then you need to swipe down near the bottom edge of your screen to enter one-handed mode. As you can see, mine is on. To go back, you can swipe up or simply click on this gray area. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. If you are using keys navigations, instead of gestures, use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Hit got it, and then enter one-handed mode by tapping on accessibility button whenever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!